Hi there, welcome to my new video on Introduction to Power BI. In this video and upcoming videos, my motto is to guide you through complete course of Power BI from connecting data sources, data modeling, cleaning, transforming, creating various charts, graphs, visualizations, creating interactive dashboard reports and sharing the reports across the organization. So, what is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence and data visualization tool. It is developed by Microsoft. It allows user to connect to various data sources, create various charts and graphs, create interactive dashboards, reports to generate meaningful insights that helps the organization to take data-driven informed business decisions. So, why Power BI? It is the most popular and widely used business intelligence tool, easy to learn and implement. Even non-technical people can learn Power BI. Affordable pricing structure with free version and cost-friendly paid options. We can do data modeling, cleaning, transformation and creation of interactive reports all in one platform. So, how Power BI works? Mainly, it has two versions or platforms. One is Power BI Desktop, the other one is Power BI Service. Power BI Desktop is a development tool. It's a desktop application for data modeling, cleaning, transforming, and creating Power BI reports. The reports that we generate in Power BI Desktop, definitely we want to share it to our stakeholders to show the insights. But we cannot share the report through Power BI Desktop. We have to publish it to Power BI Service. Power BI Service is a cloud-based service where users view and interact the reports. It's for sharing and collaboration. Components of Power BI. There are 5 components of Power BI: Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power Map, Power Q&A. Out of these 5 components, the 3 main components are Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View. Power Query is a ETL tool, extract, transform, and load. It enables us to connect with various data sources, combine and refine the data to meet the analysis need. Power Pivot, it's a data modeling tool. It enables us to create data models and establish relationship between the dataset. Power View, it lets us to create various charts, graphs, maps, and other visuals to represent our data. Power Map, it helps us to create 3D map to represent geographical data. Power Q&A, it's a common language engine for questionnaires. Overview of Power BI Desktop. The main page or the very first page of Power BI Desktop looks like this. It has various components: ribbon, report view, pages tab, visualization pane, fields pane. In ribbon, you will get various tabs such as home, view, modeling, etc. Report view, we can create charts, graphs, and other visualization. In page tab, we can add multiple pages. Visualization pane, we can get various visualization options such as column chart, pie chart, line chart, etc. In field pane, we can see the metadata or the schema of the data when we load the data in Power BI Desktop. Here we can see 3 small icons. The first one is report view, the second one is data view, the third one is model view. In report view, we can create various charts, graphs, and visualization. The underlying mechanism behind the report view is Power View. In data view, we can see our data, how the data looks like, what are the rows and columns present in our data. Using Power Query editing mode of data view, we can clean, transform, and refine our data to suit our analysis work. The underlying mechanism behind the data view is Power Query. In model view, we can do data modeling, establishing relationship between data set. The underlying mechanism behind the model view is power pivot. That's all for this video. Thank you.